Hello, friends. Can meditation really solve all of my problems? What is the actual benefit you get from meditation? Which meditation practice should I choose? All of us have so many doubts and questions, right? And today, I am going to provide the answers to all of our common questions regarding meditation. Welcome to my channel, friends. This is Sushil Khatka. Since I posted my last video, I received so many questions from my viewers and followers on social media. So I thought, why not I make a video and answer them so everyone can benefit from it. So please watch till the end of this video and that you get all the answers for any doubts you have regarding meditation. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified whenever I post my latest videos. Let's start then without further delay. The first question I received was, what is the real benefit of meditation? There has been a lot of scientifically established conclusions stating how meditation can help you to refocus, alleviate the symptoms and severity of both clinical and non-clinical mental health issues like anxiety, depression, etc. But also help reduce all kinds of physical ailments like blood pressure, heart disease, insomnia that were caused by mental stress. From my personal experience, I've seen that meditation helps in making yourself more calm, gives you better ability to handle stressful situation and make you feel more compassionate and open-hearted towards other people. For me, especially as with years of meditation, I can say that I'm more at ease when dealing with difficult people and situation. It has increased my self-awareness, allowing me to stop feeding negative thoughts and emotions and better ability to control the thoughts. And yes, definitely I can say that I have developed more willpower and the ability to concentrate with better focus. That means that I can control where my thoughts and energy is traveling. Second question is, do you need a meditation teacher or a guru to meditate? This is really a good question. What I would say to this question is that it all depends on the form of meditation that you are practicing or going to practice. Some of the meditations are really simple and can be done anywhere by anyone, like the relaxation and guided meditation for stress and anxiety relief. But other forms of meditation, like the Kundalini awakening or advanced mantra meditation and breathing meditations, are quite complex and do require a guru or a teacher who is qualified to guide you through the progress and help you to succeed. Like the type of meditation that I perform requires a very strict discipline and need continuous guidance from my guru. And the more advanced you become, more care needs to be taken both spiritually as well as physically. So I would suggest everyone to follow the proper guidance from a qualified teacher if you really want to progress in meditation. Next question is, can you explain how meditation really works? Before you understand how meditation works, you need to first understand what meditation is. In a very simple term, meditation is the understanding of how your mind actually works and getting to know your energy and then harnessing it so that you can control the energy to focus on certain key areas of your life. Now let's understand the science behind meditation. We have 5 types of brain waves in our body that is connected to different levels of activities. And with the help of meditation, we can move from the higher frequency brainwave to the lower frequency brainwave that activates various centers of our brain. When we are in a slower wavelength, we have more time to spend between our thoughts, which means that we can focus and concentrate those thoughts that are beneficial for us. First state of brainwave is gamma state, which is very good for us to learn anything as we are very active in this state. We stay in this state so we can learn anything with ease, but we have to be very careful not to stay in this state for a longer period as it may lead us to anxiety. The second state of our mind is beta state, where we spend most of our time. In this state, we are very alert. This is why it's called the working mind or thinking mind, as we're very analytic at this state so we can do proper planning. Then third state is alpha state. In this state, our mind slowly starts to become calm, where we feel more peaceful. Our mind will be at this alpha state when we do some yoga exercise or go for a walk or do some activities where our mind and body both feel relaxed. Fourth state is theta state. We would be in theta state while meditating. In this state, our mind moves away from active thinking to a more deeper state of awareness. In this state, our sense becomes more expansive, and so we develop more accepting and compassionate feeling towards the universe. Then the fifth state of mind is delta state. This is the state where most advanced practitioners like siddhas and monks would be at. So as a normal practitioner, we can reach to this state of mind only when our mind is in a deep, dreamless sleep. Through meditation, it is entirely possible for you to experience higher consciousness, which is really an illuminating experience. But to reach to that level, as I told you in my previous video as well, that we really need to be patient and keep practicing this for a longer time. Another question is related to focus. How do you stay focused in life that puts you in the same mindful state of awareness or meditation? This is quite a challenging question for all of us. We live in a world of distraction. Our mind is always restless. And why is that? The first thing we do after waking up is bouncing around different applications on our phone, either check emails or dive into the social media platforms and spend hours getting distracted. I think our brains are overstimulated in this age of technology as we crave for distractions ourselves. We find pleasure getting distracted through various platforms, and our brains actually love this. And with this level of distraction, we get ample amount of stress, anxiety, and most importantly, lack of focus. So we need to lower or control this level of stimulation in order to attain unwavering focus. If we analyze our mind, we can see that our mind struggles to focus primarily on three distinctive ways. Number one, our mind is often full of worry and stress that we're not good enough. What if I cannot finish this project on time? What if something happens? What if this event doesn't turn out to be as I anticipated? And those disturbing and worrying thoughts keeps bothering us all the time. Number two, instead of being in the present moment and working with what we already have or know, we constantly imagine of what we will achieve and live in the future moment. And number three, we are always frustrated for not having enough time. So how can we get out of this situation, right? Focus is simply about how we choose the right thoughts among thousands of thoughts and enhance those right thoughts by giving unwavering attention and then intention. To do that, we need to first notice our thought patterns and distinguish the disturbing thoughts from those not disturbing thoughts. Once we do that, the next step is to lower the distraction levels. For that, I suggest try for 1 week. Maybe set a specific time, say for only 30 minutes in the day, you will use social media or read news or whatever it is, and then stick to it. Make a strict discipline on this. And maybe in a week, you will see that you now have less distraction and you have more time to focus on something productive in your life. We also need to be clear of what the purpose of our life is. Because if we don't know the purpose of our life, we don't know what area to focus on our life and harness the awareness to that particular area of life. So the key here is to keep our mind, energy, and our consciousness to channel in one direction that is of your goal and give your full unwavering attention and focus to become successful. Next question is, what type of meditation should I practice? Vipassana, Pratyahara, Zen, or something else? What I would say to this question is, it all depends on what type of meditation you feel connected, and it is all up to you. Practice few of them and experiment and see which one is good for you. There's no one style of meditation that is superior to the other. The ultimate goal of any meditation practice is to learn how to be aware of your thoughts and energies and how to cultivate that energy to reach your end goal. But please bear in mind that you should only practice and master one type of meditation, whatever it is, to attain success. I really like this next question. Can meditation solve all of my problems? This is really a good question. First of all, we need to understand what the problem word means for you. Different people have different definitions of the problems that they're facing, and mostly it is a state of mind or judgment that you are saying that this is a problem. Maybe it's your work or exam or family or something else that is causing a stress to you. Many a times we create our own stress through our mental habits of reactivity and distractions. So it's really crucial to understand the situation that you're describing as a problem, and that will help to solve that problem or situation. Meditation, though, is a tool that helps increase your power to concentrate. It helps you to reduce your stress and anxiety just by being present rather than worrying and obsessing about the outcomes and deadlines. And you see, meditation helps you to develop a positive mindset. Because meditation improves your ability to focus on energy, you can control your energy and direct that energy to solve your problems. Meditation helps to expand your consciousness. You will be more aware of the present and the situation, and you'll start reevaluating the problems and start making better decisions. And then your problem starts disappearing. Meditation also makes you more accepting towards your life situation and helps to see and analyze what you were describing as a problem was not a problem anymore. So, the answer is yes, meditation can help us to solve most of our problems that we face in our daily life, provided that you are not practicing distraction. But a full, undivided attention to your awareness is the key here. The last question I received today is, what is the best time to meditate? Again, a very good question. If you are an advanced practitioner or seeking spiritual growth, or you're someone who really wants to get the supreme guidance and manifest your goals, the best time to meditate is 1 hour and 36 minutes before sunrise. This is called the Brahma Muhurta, or the time of the Creator, and is sought as very auspicious time to progress in meditation. Also, the fact is that after meditation, you will be charged with positive energy for minimum of 6 hours. So if you meditate in the morning, you can be more productive for the rest of your day. But here, I want to stress out to you that for common practitioners, meditating is more important than timing itself, as any time that you can afford to give yourself undivided attention is a good time to meditate for you. Not everyone can wake up at 4 a.m. every single morning to meditate. So if you do that by day 3, you will start finding excuses. So, as I said, if you have time in the morning or evening or late night, whatever suits your comfort and schedule, that is the best time for you. The importance that I see is to try and meditate every day. And if you can set a fixed time to meditate, please do that so that you connect with the vibration and frequency of meditation immediately when you sit for meditation. But make sure you do not overdo it. Meditate at least once a day and maximum of 2 times if you're a common practitioner. So folks, thank you for your questions. I really appreciate it, and I hope I was able to clear some of your doubts, and I'm certainly open to more questions. My contacts are below. Please do reach out to me anytime, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for tips to start meditation, please watch my other video where I have given some very effective tips. Links to my other video is below. In my next video, I will share some of the meditation experiences and clarify any other doubts that you may have or you might have experienced in your meditation practice. Until then, take care and see you next time. Bye.